I can start recording. Yeah. Okay. Now I want everybody to look at these two pictures. Does the left picture look like it's leaning more to the left than the right picture? Because it should. But they're both the same exact image. And what your brain tells you is wrong. Now, I'm going to talk about the different sides of your brain and how they interact with one another. Now, the right side of your brain looks at the big picture, whereas the left side looks at the small details. Now, what the right side of your brain is telling you is that these two are the same image. And because they're the same image, they have a different vanishing point. Now, look at these two towers. These two towers look parallel because they have the same vanishing point. Now, these two are the Petronas Tower of Kuala Lumpur, and but your brain is a master at reconstructing three-dimensional objects from 2D pictures. Now, these two pictures aren't parallel because, like I said, the vanishing point. Now, I'm going to go and look at these pictures to decide what side of the brain you use. Hey, what do your notes look more like? How does your desk look? Now, the left side of your brain is about to be the more analytical side, where you can be a scientist, accountant, or a police officer. And the right half is where it's more creative, where you can be a writer, artist, or a musician. Now, I want everybody to raise their hands up. Now, draw a circle with your right hand, as fast as you can, as fast as you can. Now, with your left hand, stop doing the circle. Now, draw a square with your left hand. Now, try and do both at the same time. And you see that you're getting messed up right now. That is because there's a thick band of neural fibers located in the center of your brain called the corpus callosum. Now, this is where both sides of your brain send the signals to your body. Now, the corpus callosum can only handle one input at a time. So when your brain sends two signals, try and draw a square and a circle, they get crossed. Your signals are literally getting crossed. Now, your brain can also have lag. And that's where you get this game. Now, Corinne Apicella in the University of Pennsylvania did a study where she took 100 adults and she tried this game where first you read the picture with the associated name for 15 seconds, and the majority of people can do this. Now, when we take this and we split it up, the majority of people in the world can't do this. The only people that can do this are children that are unable to read. And that's because the right side of your brain is getting confused with the left side. Now, when these two sides clash with a different word for a picture, there's lag. And because of that, you can't do this. Now, the reason the children can is because they can't read and they have an underdeveloped left side of the brain. Now look at this face. Does this face look like it's male or female? How about this one? Now these two faces are actually both male and female. They're just mirror images of each other. Now, because of that, the right side of your brain is what handles sex. And since the right side controls your left eye, you're looking at the left side of the other person's face with your left eye, and that gives you telling you that that's a guy. Now, sometimes it feels like the space between our two brains is as wide as the Grand Canyon, but in reality, it's only separated by about 1 millimeter of neural fibers. While each half might have its own strengths and weaknesses, both halves have to work together to perform their very best.